In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome Captcha errors that might be causing you some headache. If you've encountered those pesky Captcha issues while browsing, stick around because I'm going to guide you through the steps to resolve them efficiently and with ease. First, let's begin with something fundamental: clearing your cache and cookies. Over time, your browser accumulates temporary data, which can occasionally interfere with Captcha functionality. To do this, open Chrome and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find the option to clear browsing data. Select this, and ensure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Clearing the cache and cookies might take a moment, but it's a crucial first step. Now, if the issue persists, it's time to look at your browser extensions. Extensions are great for enhancing your browsing experience, but they can sometimes cause conflicts. Return to Chrome's settings and select Extensions. Here, disable all your extensions and then try accessing the site that's giving you Captcha trouble. If the problem resolves, you know an extension is the cause, and you can re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. Next up is ensuring your Chrome browser is up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes be the source of Captcha problems. Head back to the Settings menu and find About Chrome. Clicking it will trigger an update check. If there's an update available, Chrome will download and install it, which can address any recent security enhancements related to Captcha systems. Should these steps not work, your VPN or proxy server might be the issue. Some Captcha systems can block or confuse IP addresses from known VPN providers. Try turning off your VPN to see if you can access the Captcha. If turning off the VPN solves the problem, you may need to use a different server or contact your VPN provider for assistance. Another important factor could be your internet connection. Poor connection quality can disrupt Captcha verification. Make sure your network is stable. Restart your router if necessary, or try a wired connection to check if this solves the issue. Flushing your DNS is another useful step. Corrupted DNS data might be to blame. Open your command prompt or terminal and type ipconfig flushdins before hitting enter. This action clears outdated DNS records and might help resolve your Captcha woes. If you're still having trouble, consider resetting your Chrome settings. This will restore everything to the default configuration without deleting your data, bookmarks, and saved passwords. Access Advanced under Chrome settings and select Reset Settings. Follow the prompts, and this might clear up any deep-seated issues. Finally, creating a new Chrome profile might be the key if none of the above work. Corrupted user data can be the root cause of your problem. Go to Chrome Profile Settings and set up a new profile. It's like starting fresh with a clean slate and often resolves underlying problems. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps have helped clear those Captcha errors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and support.